Hello and welcome. Greg here from Jaguar Crewe dealership. Today wanting to let you know a little bit more about this amazing Jaguar F-Pace large SUV that is now available at our dealership. This particular example is the R Sport all-wheel drive model, powered here by the 2-litre diesel engine with 180 PS and finished in this stunning Loire blue metallic colour. As one of our approved used vehicles, it will benefit from minimum 12-month warranty and roadside assistance, as well as 7-day driveway insurance, so you can buy it today with complete peace of mind. It should be noted this car features loads of optional extras, such as these fitted fixed side steps, upgraded 22-inch alloy wheels, CD-DVD player, privacy glass, heated front windscreen, and even a configurable ambient interior mood lighting, to name a few. Those 22-inch diamond-turned alloy wheels will complement the Loire blue colour very nicely indeed, and also those side steps will add to the chunkier, meaner look of this large SUV. In the rear, privacy glass will be available for your passengers, and they will be very happy indeed, as the cabin will offer loads of legroom and headroom for up to 3. The part light Oyster leather package is also available, giving a nice lighter contrast inside the cabin, and also anthracite Alcantara headlining in the top. 2 Isofix child anchor points and center armors with cup holders will add to the overall practicality of this Jaguar F-Pace. In the rear, full LED taillights will provide a distinctive design, and when your hands are full of shopping, a power opening and closing boot will be on offer, revealing a cavernous space. You can always fold down the rear seats in a 40-20-40 split configuration, and there is netting, shopping hooks, and even a 12-volt power socket, which is great for a cool box with a reduced section spare wheel on offer. Closing the boot simply requires a press of a button. A quick glimpse in the front of the cabin won't be any different, with a leather-wrapped multifunction steering wheel on offer, as well as a large 10-inch infotainment screen. Front seats will offer additional side lumbar support for added comfort, and those front seats are also fully electrically adjustable for added comfort and feel, with illuminated Jaguar tread plates. I hope you enjoyed this brief 360-degree exterior tour of this Jaguar F-Pace. Before we move inside the cabin, don't forget to subscribe to our channel to stay up to date with our latest stock and content. And if you enjoyed watching this particular video, why not give it a like now or leave us a comment or question in the section below. Once in the driver's seat of this Jaguar F-Pace, you won't want to get out, that's for sure. The cabin feels incredibly premium with lots of stitching and soft touch materials throughout, and the driver control panels will operate all your windows and electrically adjustable wing mirrors with these decorative door inserts too. The multifunction wheel will operate lane departure warning with cruise control and speed limiter, with the left side operating the trip computer directly ahead. The color TFT screen will control all your radio stations and also comes with various drive modes such as rain, ice or snow for added grip. Economy will prioritize fuel economy and efficiency, whilst the dynamic mode will optimize for a more sporty spirited drive. Traffic sign recognition camera with a digital speedometer will also be on offer, and various driver assistant modes will be also on offer, such as collision avoidance city emergency braking system with a speed limiter awareness function for the driver too. In the center, the large 10-inch Touch Pro infotainment will have all your entertainment needs covered across various 3 screens. Starting from left to right, the built-in satellite navigation mapping will provide clear guidance through a 3D and 2D view mapping, whichever you prefer. Bluetooth connectivity for your phone and audio wireless media streaming will be available, and for all your radio and music, there is benefit of both AM, FM and DAB digital radio receptions. To keep you warm, front heated seats are also available with a 3-stage setting functionality too. Other great benefits of this vehicle will also incorporate the use of Apple CarPlay and Android Auto smartphone interfaces with a built-in web browser too. Additionally, the ASI all-surface information will give you live information on what the all-wheel drive mode is doing at any given moment. The upgraded ambient interior light package is absolutely gorgeous and will allow you to choose specific colors for your cabin, whatever your mood. It fully illuminates various aspects of the cabin throughout, such as doors and in the center section here, but it absolutely must be seen in the evening light. To help with parking, rear view parking camera will be available, offering a wide angle view as well, and it's fully complemented by front and rear audible and visual parking sensors on the screen. Further down below, 2-zone climate control system will be available, complemented by a heated front windscreen, which is great for cold frosty mornings. Plenty of cup holder storage, as well as center armors will have 2 USB connectors incorporated to make sure your phone's battery stays topped up at all times. This has been a presentation of the Jaguar F-Pace R Sport that is now available to view and test drive at our dealership, along with a range of flexible finance options. To find out more information about it, contact our friendly sales team today on 01270 864386 or alternatively follow the link in the description below. Many thanks for watching, hope you enjoyed it, and we look forward to helping you find your next Jaguar.